I'll be showing you the top UGC review apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, I'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're taking a look at is called Yotpo, Product Reviews and UGC. It makes it easy to collect and display user-generated content such as ratings and reviews to showcase social proof on your Shopify store. This allows you to unlock game-changing insights from reviews, and it makes it super simple to actually gather and collect these reviews, and merchants experience a 53% lift in conversion rate and a 20% increase in average order value, as this app allows you to 6x increase reviews and UGC collection. It also makes it really easy to manage reviews with their AI engine effortlessly, allowing you to maximize your impact everywhere. In terms of pricing, it starts for free with up to 50 monthly orders and an automatic review request. It goes up in price depending on order volume and the exact features you're looking for. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 6.4 thousand 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for boosting customer reviews, which enhances trust and conversion rates. Key features include customizable review widgets, as well as automated review requests and a seamless Shopify integration. Next up, we have Air, Product Reviews app and UGC, allowing you to build trust and boost sales with authentic product reviews, turning visitors into customers. It makes it easy to automatically collect these reviews. You can also boost sale by having attractive discounts offered for reviewers. And it has high converting review widgets from a trust badge to a gallery carousel, review box, and more. It's also going to give you review-rich snippets in Google, which can help increase your click-through rate. It also makes it easy to manage reviews for authenticity. It also allows you to smoothly import them from any platform. We can see CJ, AliExpress, CSV files, as well as Amazon. In terms of pricing, it starts for free. We get unlimited orders, unlimited reviews, and you can import them from AliExpress and Amazon. Paid plans start at $12.90, going up to $199, and it's going to depend on the features you're looking for, such as on the advanced plan, you get question and answers, site reviews, and discount for reviews. In terms of reviews for this app, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 5,000 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, they appreciate its ability to import reviews from platforms like Amazon, saving time and enhancing credibility, and the automated review request feature is valued for continuously collecting feedback. With extensive customization options, the app can be tailored to match any store's theme, offering features like review boxes, star ratings, and carousels. Next up, we have, if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know the headache it can be to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations that are going to sync seamlessly with things such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options like AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. Having all these details, analytics, and metrics at your fingertips are going to allow you to make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. If you're in the Shopify app store already, just search Profit Calc and then look for this logo in the top left here of Profit Calc *Profit Calculator. So make sure you check that out. And again, there's a 15-day free trial. Automizely Product Reviews apps UGC, letting you import reviews, request reviews, and display with them. And it's an all-in-one review app with advanced automation. So you can import reviews from platforms like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, or request them from SMS and email. You can display them and help to boost conversions. It has fast-loading review widgets that match your branding, and smart reviews showcase your best reviews on the review widget to help maximize conversions. In terms of collecting those UGC reviews, it makes it easy with automated email and SMS requests, including coupons to get more reviews. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with 50 email review requests per month, and you get 100 imports from sites such as Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. The paid plans start at $19 a month, and it's going to depend on the features you're looking for, from photo and video reviews and the amount of review requests and importing you want to do. In terms of the reviews for this app, that's an excellent 4.7 stars with 1.6 thousand 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its ability to import reviews from platforms like Amazon, enhancing product page credibility. It also offers a free plan suitable for various business sizes, including features like customizable review displays, as well as a Google Shopping integration. Lastly, we have after-ship product reviews, and it's a one-step review app that enables brands to boost conversions with great-looking social proof. It's going to incentivize your customer reviews, offering them and their friends enticing rewards and discounts with after-ship review referrals. So you can incentivize post-purchase review sharing and offer referrals as well as next purchase discount codes. It has a Google integration, allowing you to showcase aggregated ratings in Google search results, and it allows for one-click importing of reviews, and you can bulk import 100 reviews at once. In terms of pricing, it's free to install with 50 automatic review requests per month. Starting at $11 a month for the Essentials plan, you get 100 automatic review requests, and you can display custom reviews and ratings. And the Pro plan is $199 a month, where you get more features included. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 3.2 thousand 5-star reviews, and merchants highly praise its app for boosting customer engagement and loyalty, which in turn increases sales. It is particularly noted for its ease in importing and managing customer reviews, enhancing product trust and branding. Features such as automated review collection, customizable widgets, and the ability to import reviews from other platforms are highlighted along with its user-friendly interface. This concludes the video here on the top UGC review apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.